yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and today we are going to attempt the 2020 version of the One Chip Challenge. It was brought up to me that, hey, Gabe, you should make a YouTube video about this. You should post your sadness and your struggles online for the world to see. So here you go. We're doing it. Somebody had a 2020 chip left over. They obviously have 2021 and hopefully 2022, because yes, I'm going to make that for you. It's kind of scary. It's kind of intimidating. I mean, like, it's literally just a small little box. It's a coffin-shaped box. Yeah, I'm not ready for this. Fine. All right, we're opening the box. We're opening the box. It's fine. Everything's fine. If I can open the box. See, it doesn't even want you to open the box. All right. Well, at least they give you instructions. This is how you're gonna die today. Oh. Here you go. What to expect, made with Carolina Reaper pepper, scorpion pepper, and Szechuan peppercorn. This chip was created for the sheer pleasure or intense heat and pain. Thank you. Round 1, a spicy punch to the tongue. Round 2, a fiery jab to the face. Round 3, impaired vision from tears. Round 4, a low blow to the gut. And round 5, KO. Wow. They make this, like, unappetizing. Like, this just... So, like, I like spicy food. Don't get me wrong. I love spicy food. But I like flavor. This is not flavor. This is past flavor. Like, we skipped flavor. Wow. They expect you to sit there for an hour? An hour. An hour? So, featherweight is 5 minutes without drinking anything. Lightweight is 10 minutes. Middleweight is 30 minutes. And heavyweight is 1 hour. Look at that. Little banner. I'm reading it all wrong. See their instructions. Cool. Not cool. Cool. Alright, well, let's see if I can do it. Rules: eat the entire chip. 2, wait as long as possible before eating or drinking anything. And then 3, post it for everybody to laugh at you for. Didn't say that exactly, but let's be real. Let's put the box to the side. Let's put the banner to the side. Before I eat this, I'm going to put on some gloves, because I have done hot challenges before, not as bad as this one. And let's just say I've accidentally touched my eyes a few times. So, yeah, let's put on some gloves. Oh, it broke a little bit. That's okay. It'll be easier to eat that way. You can smell it when you open it. Wow. Oh my. But I'm going to piece it together for you. There's the chip. That's a big tortilla chip. Maybe I am glad it broke a little bit, because, like I said, it'll be easier to eat. But there's almost like a black powder to it. So here, I'm gonna do this. Break that, and like so. This is like the worst Dorito ever. I'm so nervous. All right. It does not waste time. Oh my gosh. Is my face purple yet? Oh no, I got the hiccups. Woo! Oh wow. Woo! Oh, I got the hiccups. Oh, I'm already drooling. Oh no. Woo. Well, I don't have any sinus allergies anymore. Wow. Woo. I'm already involuntary crying. It's been 3 minutes. Whew. I'm gonna at least wait till 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. Woo! I can feel it in my stomach. Wow. Do I still look pretty? I can't even speak. Wow. It stays there. I'm gonna at least get it ready, but I'm not drinking it. Woo! Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Oh, thank goodness. I hope you're enjoying this right now because I look fabulous and wow. This is no joke. Wow. I'm just gonna hold it up now because, oh my gosh. This is only the 2020 challenge. This sucks. I don't even know what the 2021 is. Like, it's supposed to be hotter. I just want to smell it. Oh, what are the levels again? Oh, it's upside down. Alright, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. If you can sit in this with your mouth for an hour, you're an undefeated champ. Alright, this hurts. Alright. How long? Alright, I did 5 minutes. That's close enough for me. Oh, wow. I'll take 5 minutes. As long as oh man. It's not flavored milk. Oh, that's awesome. Oh man. I hope you guys are happy. Every time I speak, I feel like I could breathe fire. Woo! It goes away for like a second. And then every time you breathe or talk, it comes back. Wow. The fact that I'm speaking right now is a miracle. I can't drink this fast enough. It burns the back of your throat. Really good. Wow. That was actually a really smart move. Huh, I've never gargled milk before. Nope, back. Yeah, if you ever want to get rid of the heat, gargle your milk. It's a cute look, but wow. Alright. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, comment down below, tell me how sorry you are for me. And on that note, peace out, guys. This is the worst feeling ever.